Hey, Dirt Farmer Jay here from dirtfarmerjay.com. Well, we finally bit the bullet. We have the DeWalt DW735 13-inch planer, but to even make it better, we got this beautiful Shelix cutter head. Well, we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna tell you why it's so great. Hey, stay tuned. Hey, Dirt Farmer Jay here from dirtfarmerjay.com. Well, if you have the DeWalt DW735, you know that it's a great machine, but what even makes it better is to install a helical head. And I got the best of the best, Byrd Tools Shelix, and this is a helical 40 cutter head that cuts with a shearing action using all these insert cutters. Well, let's unbox it. Before we do, though, I want to show you a couple things on the box I think are really important. Number one, notice that this comes in two configurations. One's a smaller diameter, which changes the rotation rate when the cutter's running, but makes it easier to install. Or the second one is the OEM diameter, the full-size diameter. And to install it in the machine, when we show you that in another episode, we'll have to remove the cutters to get it into the opening in the side of the machine, but that's no big deal, as you'll see here in a little bit. And then notice this right here. Proudly made in the USA. If you're a citizen in the US, this is a great opportunity to support the industrial manufacturing base right here in your own country. And this is a small family business that has done really well and created a whole line of these type of helical cutters for all types of machinery, from planers and joiners and so forth. Well, let's go ahead and get it open and see what's in the box. Okay, let's open her up. All right, first of all is a really robust installation guide that in another episode we'll walk through this and show it step by step. And then also in here is a little bit of information about what's in the box and how to do some certain things. That's all helpful. And then also there is this piece of transparency stock. And what this is used for is when you're installing the cutter, you can use this to wrap around it to stop chipping and to protect your hand. So that's a nice little courtesy that Byrd provided to us. All right, foam pack, really nice. This came from mywoodcutter.com when we ordered it. And here we go. Pull it out, and here we've got some desiccant to keep this from just rusting up. This is the cutter itself, and as we said, there are 40 cutters like this, 4 positions, so if you get a nick in one, you can rotate it. It's got pre-installed bearings, and I wish you could feel the weight of this. The mass of this is incredible, which is really going to help it when it's cutting, how smooth it is. But you can look at this is a beautiful piece of manufactured goods here. The fit and finish is incredible. And one thing that is kind of like the Shelix, how should I say, trademark, hallmark, whatever you want to say, it's a distinguishing feature. If you notice that the cutters are set at an angle that follow the helical pattern, they're not set perpendicular to the direction of feed, they go off at an angle. And this, combined with a rotation and 4 rows of 10 cutters, gives you this incredible shearing action that actually reduces sound, increases smoothness, and allows less horsepower to be used to do the cut. So this is a beautiful piece of machinery. Now also what comes in the box is some extra cutters. So as a courtesy, they provided 5 extra cutters. If you want to, you can buy sets of these of 10 for about $40 at the time of filming right now. And as I said, there are 4 sides to each cutter. So if you get a nick on one, you just rotate and retighten it back in, torque it in properly, and you get extended life. But these are very durable and easy to service using what else is included right here, this driver with that Torx driver. They provide you the correct one that you're going to use with the piece of equipment. All right, well, this is a beautifully milled tool here. We'll go ahead and get it installed, and when it is, you can check that out in the description below and the end card that will direct you over to that when that gets completed. And we'll also show you in another episode the sound differences using a dB meter of the straight knives that are installed from the factory from DeWalt, as well as the difference here. You're going to see that there is a significant difference, both to the sound level and also to the finish that you get. We are really pleased with this purchase and can't hardly wait to get it installed. Another thing that you'll find very helpful is the Wixey depth gauge, the electronic depth gauge that we installed on the DeWalt DW735. Watch this video to see how we installed it and how much we love it. Boy, has it jumped up the preciseness of that. And then check out this other video also that YouTube thinks is perfect for you from our catalog, and we think you're gonna like it too. Until the next time, this is Dirt Farmer Jay getting ready to install the latest, greatest tool in the shop.